This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have the iVUE Rincon glasses. I use these a lot for when I'm making the videos, and they were doing really good when you would turn it on. And then one day it just got when you turn the button on, got no lights and no action. So I was thinking maybe the battery had been affected. And to get to the battery actually lives over on the right side inside this little piece that is goes over towards your right ear. And to get to it, there's a little cover in the front. Goes like this, and right about there's a little screw. See this little black one? There's an HD sticker in front of that, so you just have to peel it off. There's a longer screw too. This one is right here, and you'll notice when you look at your glasses that you can't see the screw, but there's like a little circle, and you have to knock out this little piece by using maybe a very small flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it out, and then you'll be able to take a small Philipshead screwdriver, very, very small, to spin that out. And then once you take out the sticker, you can spin that one out, and then this will come off. What I noticed is that it looked like probably over time this wire had gotten pinched, and the black one for sure, and maybe the red one too, has an internal break. So what I'm going to do is I'll cut them here, and I'll go ahead and use I'll solder in a new black wire, a new red wire, give myself a little more distance, and I'll heat shrink over the soldering and just put it all back together. I noticed there wasn't any information on how to do a battery replacement. The battery replacement might happen, I use these glasses so often, might happen after maybe a couple of months, or could be a couple of years depending how often you use it. But you could probably buy this battery online, and let's see if I can get the values for you. Read this. Glasses here. There we go. So it says HYY 801742, 3.7 volts, 500 milliamps. Any other numbers there? I can read for you. It's kind of hard to see. The number at the bottom, 2018-3703. So it's 500 milliamps. I think this is 1.85 WH, and then 3.7 volts. So I'm just going to repair that damaged wire and see if that's going to do the trick. I'm going to cut it where it's damaged, right there, and then I'll strip back the wire. See if we can get this to work. I'm going to have to separate. Looks like the black and the red wire are kind of fused together. I have to separate those and then strip them back. You can see this battery a little better. Turn down the light. I'm actually using another pair of Rincon glasses right now to film this. It's funny, to repair this pair. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this ready. Okay, I'm going to see if I can solder in a longer piece of red wire here. And then I can see if I can solder in a longer piece of black wire. Okay, I think those are connected pretty good. And then I'll use a shrink wrap too to make sure that's more solid, and then I'll do the other side of it. Put a shrink wrap on there, and then one on the other side too. Let me go do that. Put a little more shrink wrap on the wire to get ready for the next connection. Do some on the red side too. Pretty small wire. Here's our power wires. Little metal base underneath there.